pronounce it correctly.
Points are very important in football, but Justin really kicks some tail on accelerated reader.
Tim's picture is not only in his element on the football field, but also in chemistry class. Safety, the first line of defense in the shop, the last line of defense on the field.
We took a vote in R2, and the unanimous choice for the perfect football model was Tyler Brundle.
I may just be a sub now, but there's no substitute for Killer Tom.
All right, sorry guys. No points on that round. No points on that round. Let's see what you can do with this next one. Our next topic is the worst things. The worst things to say to a Warren football coach the week before the big second-round playoff game. The worst things, faculty.
The junior football players all failed their Constitution test. Now they can't play football, and they're not even American citizens.
Been replaced with group hug therapy by the freshmen.
Coach Johnson got left behind in Hart Calhoun's field. And the school board has named Nero Patel as his replacement.
Beefy has food poisoning from sampling this new Chinese creation, Win Chu Mochi.
Casey has head lice in his W. Hey, Coachie, Melissa just called. She's pregnant with twins.
There's been some redistricting, and Steve Cook now lives in the Abingdon School District.
Excuse me, Coach, did you mean to show the boys Varsity Blues? Or was it the Abingdon playoff tape they were supposed to see?
Coach Reynolds, we need you to sing the national anthem.
Duffy ate all the spirit cake. Our next game is scenes from
your fun now.
For the Commandos. About 60, opening kickoff back across the 15-yard line. Kids were the ball carrier that time for Abingdon. Time for Abingdon.
I'll tell you what, he does a lot of things. He goes cross country runs, and he's probably been a couple places.
Just throw the ball. Look at the ball carrier that time, sits up by Appears to be intercepted by the Raiders. Stay with the ball carrier that time for Warren.
Went into a 4. Dropped their ends off.
Tyler Rumble takes the pitch that time from Justin Martin. Gets across the field. Jay Thorne, the ball carrier that time, and he is tackled by Shane Gordon.
Did you see the umbrella on that one? The 6-1 Rich?
Stephen Cook is punting. Kyle Packelman there to make the handoff. Gordon, the ball carrier that time. Gordon ends up keeping the ball that time.
Didn't think so.
Gordon keeps the ball and gets out past it on end 11 for the Commandos, the ball at their own 11. Gordon again on the keeper. Gordon finally tripped up
Right past him again.
by Kyle Buckelman. He gets out past it. Bounce back in punt formation for Abingdon. Rundle and Cook are deep for the Warriors. Tyler Rundle bringing the kick back on the near side. Gets a couple of good blocks from Buckelman. Rundle back. Brings it down inside the 35. 31. Tyler Rundle, the ball carrier that time. Hits the ball.
Ooh, nice shot.
Taylor that time, the ball carrier for one. Taylor, the ball carrier for one. Taylor makes the tackle. Taylor with the pass. Taylor is in. Taylor for touchdown. Kick field goal. And it is good. It was 4. Thomas and Matt Gordon for Abingdon. Good kick goes into and out of the end zone. Griffith takes the handoff, and he's hit in the backfield.
Keep him in, Rick.
Gordon makes the pass. It's back in the backfield.
He raised his shoulder. He ran into the ground or something.
Starts back in punt formation at the goal line.
Oh, nice kick.
Stops his punt, goes out of bounds. Justin Martin's pass intended for Stephen Cook is tipped away. ball carriers. They go good field on this side. They go down inside the 10-yard line.
Quarterback sneaks, so.
Jay Boone, the ball carrier once again. King Gordon on the... Tyler Rundle trips up in the backfield.
Quarterback sneaks out of it. So Conklin are running boom. Block, nice block, nice block.
Robertson to hold. Kick goes up, and it is good. Number 127.
Get it out in the end zone again. It is.
Bob Shakespeare at about the 10-yard line. He brings it out past the 15. Rumble.
I'll watch British, you watch Conklin.
Kissel was ball carrier that time. Hoffman and McGill on the stop. Wilson, the ball carrier that time. He's hit at the line of scrimmage and pushed back by the Warriors Eagle, the Commandos. The ball at their own 20-yard line.
There's your old star. Gordon's going to keep it right on the pass. That's the end over right there.
This is the Gordon on the near side, but he's scooped up by Kyle Bockelman.
We only have 10 on the field. We only have 10 on the field. Rick, we only have 10 on the field. I counted already. Yeah, we only have 10.
About to kick away.
Oh, another good kick for him.
Second period, the Warrior football at the Commando 47-yard line.
Your email is different.
Dick Taylor, the fullback on the carry that time. Tackle made by Matt Gordon of the... Dick Taylor was the ball carrier that time. Lines up in front formation for the Warriors. South 10, Gordon goes east for Abingdon.
That'll hold it up. That's a good
A nice punt by Stephen Cook goes down and out of bounds. The ball will be...
Yeah.
Ruff at the ball carrier that time for Abingdon.
Second guy. That's the way. Brian Collins did okay. Good job, Brian.
Gordon pass is complete on the near side to South. Stephen Cook finally brings him down and makes the tackle inside the 40-yard.
But he didn't. I got that at 47 yards.
Gordon on the keeper gets the ball down inside the 30. Thomas, the ball carrier that time for Abingdon.
I thought he was squatting like this. November. Jeez. Good job, good job.
Handoff that time goes to Ruffett. Thomas that time the ball carrier. Thomas is tackled for what appears to be a loss.
Leading record.
Thomas to hold for the Commandos. Thomas attempts the two-point conversion pass, and it is knocked down by Ken Robinson, and it was our deep, with Boone also deep for Warren.
I don't know why they didn't pick that extra point. Hold on to the ball.
There's a hole. Kick is taken by Stephen Cook at the 4-yard line. Cook brings it out to about the 23.
But it showed on that last play. Face mask.
Stay with the ball carrier that time. Rundle the ball carrier on the near side.
Good job.
Stay with the ball carrier. It's tipped up, but not before he gets the first. 5-0. Fullback Nick Kingwood takes the ball that time.
Nobody's open.
39-yard line, 34-yard line. We're first and 10 for the Warriors. Tyler Rundle over the left side, picked up by Seth.
Come on, Mick, come on. Forget about it.
Fullback Nick Kingwood over the right side. Again into a 50 extra point out of the hole of Derek Robertson. The kick is up, and it is good. The 2:29 remaining kick off at the 40-yard line to South Thomas and Gordon of the Commandos.
Killer.
Probably don't want that in the paper, do you?
No, it's in the budget. Oh, he dropped it! Oh, crud!
Fumbles the snap that picks it up and makes positive.
Gotta have a pass rusher. Let's get out on this kid. Come on, get in.
All right. Jay Blue, the ball carrier that time. Kyle Bockelman carrying the ball that time for the Warriors.
Home run ball now. All right. Home run ball's coming. He's got time. Rear back and heave it.
Justin Martin's pass is complete. Incomplete. Stephen Cook back in punt formation.
Oh, shit. That's
Stephen Cook's punt is blocked
Damn, I knew that.
by the Commandos.
They get a rush on this turkey. I paid for it 2 years ago. Somebody's got to. Almost.
Jordan pass intended on the far side to the right. Jordan pass intended downfield.
Timeout. They shouldn't punt the ball.
Spike it?
No, they shouldn't even punt it. He's going to just run it. I think it'll work. Yeah.
Jordan on the kicker. Finally tackled by Brevis. Their time expired. Stephen Cook brings the kick back near the 30-yard line with the wrong runner.
Boy, go back there. Yeah, I got some wide bodies.
Regular 6-2.
Tyler Rumble is hit in the backfield by Corey Russell. A loss.
Better block up the middle.
Stephen Cook punt is taken. Jordan takes it on the far side. Jordan. Finally tackled by the punter, Stephen Cook. Sisler takes the handoff up the middle, breaks it out to the far side. The fourth period, the score, Illinois 38, Purdue 13. Austin McGill, where McGill will stop Zach Thomas from Commando. Gordon on the kicker around the far side, Jake Hawkins.
Quarterback's going to keep the ball in his hand. That's my guess.
Look at the ball carrier, look at picks the ball down inside the 5-yard line, and he's supposed to go for the
Did we kick it in? No. 3 and out.
Sisler takes the ball up the middle, and is in for the touchdown. That's just a 2-point conversion. Wilson is hit, and the extra point is no good. And with 7:40 there, lines up the kickoff for the Commandos. Cook and Rumble are deep once again for the Raiders. Tyler Rumble takes the kickoff at the 10-yard line.
He was down.
Tyler Rumble, the ball carrier for one. Jay Boone, the ball carrier, tackle from behind. Stephen Cook over reverse. Tackle is made on the far side by the Commandos number 60. Coach Paul is taken by Gordon. Look at the ball carrier, look at on his feet up near midfield. Gordon on the kicker down near the 45-yard line. The handoff that time fumbled. 55-yard line.
He's okay now. Oh, he's pushing it. Throw it up again.
Gordon the ball carrier for Abingdon.
Come on, boys.
Pass on this side to get pass on the right.
Screen pass.
Screen pass. It's complete to Gordon, but the record is Christie. Record gets the ball down inside the 30.
No comparison.
Gordon the ball carrier that time.
I wouldn't be afraid to use it out of the court.
Wilson takes the pitch from Gordon. He's tackled immediately. Gordon's pass intended for
Green over the middle. Dang, damn it.
Screen pass is complete to Gordon. Gordon gets the ball down inside the 15-yard line.
No kidding, right on the ball. This kid had the ball right in front of him. And the one gets stood up.
Hit that hole.
Jay Boone on the near side cuts back across.
Come on, guys, we need a first down. You scored.
First down, not second.
That's the way
Way to go. Stay hold.
But Taylor takes
Hold. All right.
the handoff a little bit.
Let it go.
Yeah, don't worry.
Handoff goes up the middle to Nick Taylor. Nick Taylor fights his way across the 35 to the 30. Got a rumble on the ball. Goes in over the right side.
They've widened their tackles now. It's gotta be a hole in the middle for him pretty fast. He might hit the end zone with this one.
Nice
Oh,
one.
that's a great
Get down there, hustle.
Great punt. Get in there.
Taken by Gordon.
Have that one on it.
Yeah, send that.
Gordon is tackled at 13 for the Commandos.
Watch her in, man. Alan Perry.
And this one. Good tackle.
Gordon is hit.
Gotta get tackled. Get a broken fall.
Gordon on the kicker gets the ball back to the original line of scrimmage to Coach Silver.
Hang on.
Don't put that in the paper.
Stops the punt.
We'll get some field position.
For Abingdon.
Don't kick it. Stay away. There
The punt goes out of bounds on the far side.
There they are. Look at them jammed up there.
You're not going to get in there.
Everybody went, woo. 455 bucks?
I might take you out for drink.
This game would have been on the back line. He was down across the...
I killed it.
Come on. Where's Jakey?
First and goal for one. McClure up the middle. McClure is in for the touchdown.
That's true.
Jake Calkin is in to attempt the extra point once again with Derek Robertson holding.
Yeah.
Kicking is up. And it is good.
No run back. All right. Thank you, son.
Stephen Cook kickoff.
I'll watch Colin. You watch Elliot. Get him.
Good pass incomplete to Cook.
Okay.
Across the 40-yard line to about the... Gordon keeps the ball and runs over the middle. Made of Daniel Construction. Thank you, the foot is thank everyone for participating.
Coached together for years.
That's what we were saying. But they know each other.
Nick Taylor takes the handoff.
Hold the ball now. They're going to be stripping.
Yeah, wrap that sucker up every time.
I think Nick Kay wants to take it from now on. Oh, baby. Those commandos home happy. Here we go. Take your time. That's it. Good job. Snap. And here goes Mickey. About 4 yards.
Boy, Nick, he's getting 5 yards a shot.
Believe that? 7-1, aren't they?
Illini and the Bears, man, I tell you.
I'll tell you.
I got
Here goes
decisions.
overseas.
I got to decide whether I'm going to Warren, Yorkwood, Roseville, or
Tyler Hunter on the near side. He gets down across the 38-yard line to the 36. In the third quarter, Northwestern the Hawk 28, Tuscola 15.
Oh, hang on, Nick.
That was almost a bad deal.
Nick Taylor takes the handoff and takes the ball across the 35.
Trying for it.
Yeah, look at that.
Kevin Casey could get him down.
Inside 2 yards. Just run 3 more plays.
The fullback, Nick Taylor, once again takes the handoff.
Let's go to Moe's tonight, Reese. No, I'll tell you. I love it that they love me. It's all right. we don't need to do it. Good deal.
Lauren, South Lake 19 in the third. Jay Brown, the ball carrying across the 30. Down near the first down. We're making a fumble on the play. 20-0 in the third. And Aledo is leading Westerville 18-7. Gordon Fast is Thomas is going to keep the ball up the middle. Thomas is going to push it. Ball inside the 10.